Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox if it's not loading properly on your Windows PC. The first thing you need to do is clear Roblox's local app data. Open the Start menu, search for Run, and open the Run dialog. In the Run box, type %local app data % and press Enter. When the local app data folder opens, press the R key on your keyboard to quickly locate the Roblox folder. Right-click the Roblox folder and select Delete. This removes temporary files that may be causing Roblox to load incorrectly. If Roblox still isn't loading, open the Start menu again and search for Roblox. Right-click Roblox player and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click the Roblox shortcut again. If you're using Windows 11, select Show More options. Then click Open File Location to access the actual installation folder. Locate Roblox Player beta.exe, right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program in compatibility mode, enable Run this program as an administrator, and check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. If Roblox is still not loading properly, the final suggestion is to try using a VPN. In some cases, network or routing issues can prevent Roblox from loading correctly, and connecting through a VPN may help resolve the problem. That's it. Those are the methods you can try to fix Roblox when it isn't loading properly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.